everybody! So today I'm actually filming the update to a new Project Pan, which is also a Fantastic Ladies collab. This is the Game of Panners. It is based off of Game of Thrones, specific quotes based around the houses. I have picked 4 items to be in this project, and the project creator is Ceylan. I hope I'm saying that right. But let's get into it. This is a very short project. I believe it's only running from April to July, so there's not a lot of time to make progress. So I tried to pick things that I could just like make progress on and nothing I thought I could finish up. So the first item I picked was for a Lannister always pays his debt, which is something expensive. I picked, if I can open it, my Kira Weiss blush in Embrace. I already have a really good, like, sizable amount of pan, but I know I can't finish this up in a couple months. Kira Weiss is an organic, like, luxe brand, and I have had this blush in Embrace for a little while, and I need to get the move on. When I pull the actual pan out of the reusable packaging, because this is actually like really heavy, really nice reusable compact, I have 6 grams of weight when I weigh it. The next item is hold the door, because I couldn't not pick that, which is something brown. Sorry, I'm looking down because I have my notes in front of me. And this is one of the Clourpop cream gel liners in Mr. Bing. And I marked it on the paper, because I do that. Hold it right so you guys can see. Are we on the right one? Yes. Starting out. The next item is You Know Nothing Jon Snow, which was either something red for Ygritte or something black for Jon Snow taking the black. And I picked this, which has been in projects before. This is the Kiss Black Gel Liner. And we are starting right there. And I just plan to kind of alternate between the brown liner and the black liner and see how far I can get on both during this time. I know it's a little bit silly to pick 2 liners, but it's what I did. And the last item is for Daenerys, turn us away and we will burn you first. And this is supposed to be something red, orange, yellow, or fire themed. And for that I actually picked a lipstick that I have not even used yet. This is a Colourpop lipstick I picked up from one of their collections. I can't keep track of how many they have. This is an orangey color and it is Reverie. Really bright. I would say it's kind of more orange than coral. We will swatch it. This is the first time we're touching it though. Very, very bright color. And I marked this also on the paper. It is starting weight at 32 grams. Hold it up to my marks. No, it doesn't look right because you can kind of see the plastic. So you're starting there. I just want to make a dent in it, which I feel is doable. And then, because I didn't actually say, we are starting with the gel liner at 17 grams. And the Mr. Bing liner is at 4 grams, and I don't expect this one's weight to change at all. So that is all. I really hope to see you guys with this update, and I hope everybody has a really successful pan, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.